In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Monopoly Go account to a new phone. This process is relatively straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have it done in no time. First, it's crucial to ensure that your Monopoly Go account is attached to something that can carry it over to the new device. And the best way to do this is by connecting your account to Facebook. Don't worry if your Monopoly Go isn't currently connected to Facebook. I'm here to guide you through it. Let's begin on your current device. You will want to open the Monopoly Go app and look for the hamburger icon. That's the three horizontal lines often located in the top right corner of your screen. Give that a tap. This opens up a menu of options. Now, you'll see an option labeled Connect at the bottom of this menu. It's the one featuring a blue Facebook logo. Tap on this Connect button. By doing so, you're linking your game with your Facebook account, which serves as a bridge to transfer your progress to a new device. Once you've connected Monopoly Go to your Facebook account, we're halfway there. The next step involves your new phone. Before you launch the game on the new device, you'll need to make sure you're logged into the same Facebook account that you just connected on your old phone. This step is crucial because it allows the Monopoly Go app on the new device to access the correct game data. When you've logged into Facebook on your new phone, open the Monopoly Go app. Now, at the login screen, you'll be presented with several options. What you want to do is select the option to log in using Facebook. This option tells the app to pull in the game data that you've linked to your Facebook account. And there you have it. Your game progress should now be seamlessly transferred to your new phone. By following these steps, you can easily continue enjoying Monopoly Go with all your hard-earned progress and items intact. That's it for today's guide on transferring your Monopoly Go account to a new device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions, and consider subscribing for more handy tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.